In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Rednote account. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Google Play Store or the App Store, of course, depending on whether you're on an iOS or Android device. And basically, Rednote is a free TikTok alternative that we can utilize. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on install just like so. Now, this is actually an application made in China. So if you are a little bit confused, the text is actually made in Chinese. So let's go ahead and just press on open just like so. And then it is going to give you this important notice. So go ahead and just press on agree, and then it's going to ask you if you wanted to send you a notification, so that is completely up to you. I'm just going to be pressing on don't allow. All right, now that we're over here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and pressing on this button that says log in. Okay, now we actually have multiple different options, so we can go ahead and enter in a mobile phone number, or we can go ahead and log in using our Google account. So for this video, I'm actually going to be logging in with my Google account like so. And I'm just going to go ahead and press on agreed and continue. And then I'm just going to be using this email address right over here that I already have connected to my Google account. Then it is going to take you to a page that looks like this. So over here, it is going to ask you your gender and age. So I'm a male and I am 20. Just like so, and then all you got to do is got to press on it next, and then it is going to ask you for your interest. So this is very similar to like TikTok or Snapchat, so I'm just going to go ahead and select on the random ones like so, then go ahead and press on this button that says start exploring, and then it is going to ask Rednote if you wanted to have access to your contacts. I'm just going to be pressing on don't allow. So once you're done with that, you are now ready to go. And Rednote, it's honestly a really good application, especially if you're trying to watch short form content. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.